I gotta put the lasagna away. I made lasagna today for Grandma and Pappy and Aunt Brenda. No lasagna for birdies. Stop! He doesn't want to talk to you. He's working. He's busy working. He says, don't have time to deal with the birdies. I don't have time to deal with the birdie in the house. I know a birdie is going to get butt beaten. Butt beaten for the bird eyes. Did he leave? We got a big hole in the yard. Oh my gosh. It's because they're going to pour concrete down there for another deck. There's going to be a deck up here. There's a new roof that they're working on putting on. Because of little boy birdies who needs a roof and screened in. And then they're going to put steps down from the deck. And they're going to have concrete down here for another patio. That'll be a bird-free patio. That'd be a bird-free patio. Max, I think he left. I think he left for the day. The birdies and the turkeys and all the animals are going to wonder what's all that dirt out there, huh? What's all that dirt for? What do you think? What do you think? Did he leave for the day? I think so. Looks like they found a lot of rocks out there, huh? There's a lot of rocks. They gotta put tin roof on the top yet. And then they gotta put stuff on the side. I can get the focus. Focus for me already. And then they gotta put stuff on the side, lattice on the top half on the side, and then we're gonna put the screen on the bottom half to keep a little boy bird safe inside. And then there'll be a screen door there where that opening is, and steps coming down to there. And that will be it. Sound like a good idea? You want to get out there and play in the dirt? Do you want to go play in the dirt, Pooper? Pooper bird. He left for the day. You don't have to keep looking for him. This camera isn't going to focus on you anyways. See,